Here's the new 900 megahertz repeater on 927.3. Have two duplexer cavities. Each are wide bandpass. They pass a few megahertz. So on the 927 end, it passes about from 927 to 930, and that's the transmit duplexer here. And the receive duplexer passes from 900 to 903. So they have wide bandpass, but that enables me to be able to change frequencies, and still works anywhere in the 927, 903 repeater inputs and outputs. So yeah, here's the Raspberry Pi for the repeater controller, and AllStar link with the Ethernet you see here, and the DMK Engineering USB radio interface is what I'm using for the radio interface. And everything is all in connector. Up here in 900 megahertz, there's a lot of loss for coax length. And then a 12 volt supply. I'm using this for now. Just a little 15 amp supply. So it goes out, and for a temporary antenna out here on the porch. And here's the antenna. Up just right past the roof line. Just have a PVC pipe here for now, going up to the 900 megahertz unity gain antenna. I have a upside down mag mount for 440. You might be able to see my HF thin wire antenna. Goes all the way over to that street lamp on that end, and then to other street lamp there is an invisible 28 gauge wire HF. But anyway, that's the 900 antenna for now. Even with this big, these mobile, this runs about 15 watts. So I have a big fan that I found at a commercial site on a mountain, and it keeps it nice and warm. So yep, that's the repeater end. And then you can talk to it with another radio I have here, for instance. Right now I have it on echo mode, so KDØWHB testing. And it'll come back.
KDØWHB testing.
So let's do some range testing. So here we're in the basement. Here's the handheld I'll be using, an MTS-2000. It's a good little Motorola 900 megahertz radio. It has a battery I modified. I didn't want to buy a new one, and I had some extra Baofeng batteries, lithium, laying around. Only ones I could see for a decent price were NiCad, and I didn't want a NiCad, so here's the battery. So I obviously should have a signal down here. Our repeater's only a couple stories above us on that antenna, so I'll put out my call, and like I said, it's on echo mode, so it's just recording and then playing back what I say. So it is a full duplex repeater with a split, but I have it on echo mode. I have it on parrot mode, so you'll hear what I say. KDØWHB.
KDØWHB.
Okay, so here goes some range testing. I'll just ride around on my bicycle, and we'll test some range. See how bad the 900 band actually is, which I can guarantee it's not gonna go too far on a handheld with not too much power, on a antenna with not much height. So we'll see. So here we are on a hill, and the house is just across that valley. So see if we're full quieting still into the repeater. This is KDØWHB testing.
KDØWHB testing.
No problem whatsoever yet. I'll go down the hill and test it there. So there's the hill we were on. Back in the distance over there. House in the distance here. And let's see if we still have a good signal to the 900 repeater. KDØWHB testing.
KDØWHB testing.
Loud and clear still. Keep testing it some more. Once we get into some of the building area, the signal will start degrading. KDØWHB bicycle mobile testing.
KDØWHB bicycle mobile testing.
Here we are, quite a bit farther, kind of in a valley here. Let's see if we still got it. KDØWHB testing.
KDØWHB testing.
A little bit of noise, but not much. So here there's more houses and stuff, and signal isn't as great. KDØWHB testing. It's starting to break up and get pretty noisy into the machine. The repeater's in the distance this way. Right now we're on a small hill in a park. That would be a good place for the repeater, the control tower. But let's do some more testing. It's full quieting up here, 100% signal. KDØWHB.
KDØWHB.
And 900 megahertz is pretty line of sight. I've realized so. You can travel for a distance, but buildings really attenuate it. So, yeah. So that was the 900 megahertz band for you. It's a pretty cool band. The range isn't very good, but if we don't use it, we won't have it anymore. And there's a lot of room up there. See, with this Raspberry Pi, it also has AllStar link through the internet, and that means I can link to any other repeater in the world with AllStar, or also Echolink. So that's why I have the USB radio face in a Pi instead of a repeater controller. So if I'll link to the Win system, and we'll see if anyone's listening or anyone's talking right now.
Node 25.
So as you hear, there's some traffic here, and
Node 4 2 6 2 2.
gives me worldwide coverage from anywhere in range of this 900 repeater.